Are you a content creator, video editor, or social media manager constantly battling the clock? Do you spend countless hours on manual tasks like editing, scriptwriting, or designing? If you're losing precious time every week, then you know the struggle is real. Imagine reclaiming those hours, boosting your output, and elevating your content quality, all without breaking a sweat. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 AI tools that are revolutionizing content creation. These are the game changers you need in your arsenal right now. I'm Jermaine, and this is NextGen AI Insights, your front row seat to the AI revolution. We're diving deep into the tech that's transforming industries, and today, it's all about empowering you, the creator. Let's jump in. First up, the undisputed champion of text generation, ChatGPT or Claude. These powerful language models are your ultimate partners for scriptwriting and idea generation. They can quickly produce high-quality, text-based content, saving you hours of brainstorming and drafting. Need a video script outline? A catchy headline for your next post? Or even a full article on a complex topic? Just feed it your prompt and watch as it generates coherent, creative, and contextually relevant text in seconds. This isn't just about speed. It's about unlocking new levels of creativity and efficiency for all your written content. Next, prepare to be amazed by Runway ML, an absolute powerhouse for AI video editing. This tool is a game changer, especially with its instant background removal feature. Forget tedious rotoscoping or needing a perfect green screen setup. Runway ML can isolate subjects from their backgrounds with incredible precision, allowing you to replace them instantly with any image or video. Imagine shooting anywhere and then effortlessly placing your subject in a completely different environment. It streamlines your post-production workflow, making complex edits simple and fast. Third on our list is Canva AI, your new best friend for rapid thumbnail and banner creation. We all know how crucial eye-catching visuals are for grabbing attention online. Canva AI takes the guesswork out of design, allowing you to create stunning graphics in minutes. Its AI-powered features can suggest layouts, color palettes, and even generate unique elements based on your input. You can quickly swap images, adjust text, and apply professional-grade effects with just a few clicks. This tool ensures your content always looks polished and professional, driving more clicks and engagement. Prepare to have your mind blown by ElevenLabs, the leading platform for realistic voice cloning. Consistent narration is key to building a strong brand identity, and ElevenLabs delivers exactly that. You can clone your own voice or choose from a vast library of high-quality synthetic voices. This means you can generate natural-sounding voiceovers for all your videos, podcasts, and audio content without needing to record every single line. The emotional range and clarity are astounding, making it virtually indistinguishable from human speech. It's a massive time saver for anyone producing audio-driven content. Finally, we have Descript, a revolutionary tool for text-based video editing. This is where video editing gets truly intuitive. Descript transcribes your video automatically, allowing you to edit your footage simply by editing the text transcript. Want to remove a pause or filler word? Just delete it from the text, and the corresponding video segment is instantly cut. It simplifies the entire editing process, making it accessible even for beginners, while offering powerful features for seasoned pros. Descript transforms how you approach video production, making it as easy as editing a document. There you have it. 5 incredible AI tools that are transforming the landscape for content creators. From generating scripts and editing videos to designing stunning visuals and cloning voices, these tools are designed to save you time, boost your productivity, and elevate your content quality. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Now, if you're serious about supercharging your workflow, I've put together something special for you. I've created a free AI Creator Stack guide that provides a more comprehensive workflow, showing you exactly how to integrate these tools for maximum impact. Download it now using the link in the description. It's your blueprint for ultimate creative efficiency. Don't miss out on the next wave of AI innovation. Make sure you subscribe to NextGen AI Insights for more cutting-edge tools and strategies. We're constantly exploring the latest advancements to keep you ahead of the curve. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into even more AI automation hacks.